Hi, this is Gavin from On Spot Repair. If you try to start your snowblower and you couldn't get it started, what could be some of the common reason? Okay, when you look at here, this is the prime button, which is help you to increasing the amount of fuel from your carburetor into the intake. Okay, if you press this too many times, sometimes you're delivering too much fuel into the cylinder and causing it to get the spark plug, so it called flooding. Okay, that the spark plug will not be able to jump any spark because it is grounding it. So what we need to do is that we're gonna have to wait for the snowblower. You want to take it inside your garage and close off your fuel and make sure the key is off, and putting a heater in here, okay, for a day or two. So that way, during that time waiting for it, the fuel inside the cylinder will dry up, and in return dry up the spark plug. So when you're doing that, after you've done that, then you come back and you could just crank to about 3/4 of the closing of your choke without pumping anymore, okay? And giving yourself, and then make sure that it's on run, the full throttle, and then give it a pull. Okay, so now we're gonna close it one more time. Close it a little bit more. So basically inside the cylinder, from the first time you flood it, you already have extra amount of fuel in there. So you don't need to pump the bottle anymore. And by just using the choke, then you could just close up the airway and allow all the fuel from inside the carburetor into your cylinder, and then it will fire up. Okay, that's very simple and easy to do, so you don't have to call for service if you're flooding the cylinder. If that still don't help, please give us a call and we'll send out a service call for you. Thank you.